Retailers lose up to 20% in potential revenue by sticking to static pricing, even when demand spikes or competitors slash rates. Yet 68% of e-commerce brands still rely on manual price updates, missing out on dynamic opportunities. Archive's AI agents will work with your CRM, our CRM, and with Google Sheets as well. So your pricing strategy stays agile, competitive, and profitable. Dynamic Pricing Suggestions Agent analyzes demand, inventory, and customer behavior to recommend optimal prices in real time. Competitor Price Tracker Agent monitors competitor pricing across platforms and feeds insights into your pricing engine. Together, these AI agents help you increase profit margins by 11% with optimized pricing, react instantly to competitor price drops, personalize offers based on buyer behavior and location. Using this combo report, 25% boost in conversion rates, 18% reduction in cart abandonment, $1.2 million in annual revenue uplift for mid-size retailers. Let your pricing team focus on strategy, while these AI agents handle the data, trends, and updates. This is just one combo, but these agents can be mixed with 100 plus others to create endless workflows. Want to see what's next? Visit archivesolutions.com.